What's up, world? Welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesday. My name is Quentin Cole. I go by the moniker AKA Mixmaster Q, AKA your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special edition. Hey, for my fans out there, I brought you a treat. I'm about to introduce you to a new bartender. Her name is Christy Cash.
Hey y'all, it's Chrissy Cash. First off, I want to start with a huge thank you to True Mix Masters for giving me this opportunity today. And we're going to mix up a Black Mango Seduction. To make a Black Mango Seduction, you want to have your black cherry rum, your banana liqueur, mango goya, apple juice, and also club soda. Now, let's get it shaken. To make the Black Mango Seduction, you want to start with 1 ounce of black cherry, ½ ounce of banana liqueur, a little good amount of your mango goya, about the same amount apple juice, and we're going to top it off with club soda. Now, let's get shaken. Now we have the contents all shaken. It's time to go in the glass. And now it's time to garnish. I garnish with 2 raspberries and 3 blueberries. And that's how you make the perfect Black Mango Seduction.